Y'all see what's going on. Those ain't no oxtails, you heard me? No, them turkey necks. Watch them things. Y'all, it's been 5.5 hours of low smoke between 225 to 250. Now the time to take these bad boys off and get them ready for tomorrow. All right, y'all, now take a look at these bad boys. These bad boys right here, these are, yes, turkey necks. I know you're wondering, how do you get these turkey necks to look like this right here, man? They look like some oxtails. No, sir. These right here is Mississippi finest. That's right. And how we gonna fix this thing up? We gonna make a boil out of them and put them in the oven and get them tender. And while we getting them tender, we gonna have some potatoes. We're gonna have some carrots, some corn, some celery. Oh man, we're gonna have a lot of these. Ooh yeah. All right, y'all. As you can see, I'm getting ready to put them in a little broil and finish them off. Yeah, put the little fixings in it. Got some sweet corn, some potatoes, celery. Got a little carrots up in that thing. Yeah. Throw a little extra season on top, y'all. But I got them in that little stock I made. If you look down off in there. Finished product coming soon. All right, y'all. There we go. What y'all think? They're gonna put some respect on these turkey necks name, you heard me? Yeah. I'll see what's going on. And then check this out right here. The next video, I'm gonna tell y'all what's in this pot right here. What was in that pot? Guess what we gonna do? We gonna, ooh-wee. That's what we gonna do right there. Go back in that pot, he said. And we gonna come around this corner like this right here. We gonna, ooh-wee, that like that right there. One more time for the man and his friends, yeah. We gotta dress them up, y'all. We can't get almost halfway there and don't finish them off. Yes, indeed. You know, in that seafood, they had that old butter sauce. I got me an old country contraction, you know. I wasn't raised by the sea. I was raised by the woods, you know. In the woods. Country boy, for real, for real. But we still ate good, you know. Yeah. My folks, they figured it out. There wasn't no such thing going hungry. No, indeed. And y'all see what's going on. I'm gonna make a plate in a minute. I'm gonna just show y'all how to work with them turkey necks. Oh yeah, that corn, that old potato. That potato hot, y'all, so hold on. I'm gonna show y'all that potato, man. Had to get one of them potatoes, man. You see that thing right there, boy? It's so full of juice and flavor. Then you come over here and you grab one of these old carrots right here. You get your corn. Y'all know I messed up on that word carrots, though. Hey, we going live. I'm thinking about eating, y'all. Y'all gotta forgive me. If you don't, I don't care. I'm still gonna eat. Wish you was over here grabbing a plate too, huh? A bowl or something. Hey, somebody said I ain't doing many close-ups, so let me bring it back. Let me bring it back. Let me bring it back. Let me get one of them big boys. Look at that big boy right there. Ooh. too, though. Oh man, you see that? You see that? If you buying corn from these places, it don't look like that. Tell them you want your money back. I told y'all that in a video before. You want your money back. And y'all forgive me for the angles. I'm trying to hold the camera and show the product at the same time. I ain't no cameraman, but I know how to get my point across, you hear me? Oh yeah. Hey y'all gotta excuse that music back there. I thought my family would have known I was videoing and they would have cut it off, but they watching Soul Train. You know, sometimes when I get to cooking these meals like that, man, it get happier around here, so I don't fault them, y'all. I don't fault them. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little of that potluck over here, y'all. Yeah. Put a little of that over there. You know. Put some of that right there. And there it is, y'all. Y'all see what's going on? Ain't no seafood. That's soul food. That's a soul food bowl right there. Plate, however you want to call it. See what's going on. Look at them red, big old turkey necks right there, man. They tender too. Then I finished that plate off, y'all. Get my little paprika. Fans up, you know, I gotta get the money shot ready. Gotta get the money shot ready, y'all. Gotta get the money shot ready. Now come over there with some of that dry parsley. They said, you put that dry parsley on there, it make you look like you know what you're doing, man. Some of that old dry parsley, too. All right, y'all, and there it is. Oxtails what? Seafood what? I told y'all. Y'all better come to Mississippi and get you some of this soul food. For real, for real. Good old sweet corn. Carrots. Look at them potatoes, man. Get the angles. They ain't giving y'all the angles now. They might give y'all decent videography, but they ain't giving y'all the angles, man. Look at that. What you said. All right, y'all. I'm finna enjoy my plate. I'm hoping you doing somewhere. I'm hoping you doing the same somewhere. That's right.